How do you plan to see the 2019-2020 bowling season for Harlan High School go this year?
I'm expecting some really great things. We've got 5 of our girls that made it to state last year returning on varsity, and we have 5 seniors on the boys varsity for sure, possibly 6. And I think both teams are very experienced. I think we're going to be really good. I think the regular season is going to go well, and it always comes down to whether you can qualify for state. And I think both teams have a great shot at it. So this could be our best year ever.
Got it. How do you feel about the JV squads about approaching up to the varsity squads?
JV on the boys' side especially, there's a lot of, since we got so many seniors, there's a lot of bowlers that have experience for the last couple of years that are going to be itching to be on varsity next year. So I think they're going to be great. As far as the girls' side goes, we've got some new younger bowlers coming in, and every year is always a different experience, but I think we're going to be good.
All right. Pilladurin, how do you feel about the 2019-2020 bowling season?
I think we're going to do really good as a team. We got a lot of, actually everyone returning from varsity last year, and I think we're going to be really good and just have lots of fun.
All right. How do you feel about the JV squad advancing up to the varsity squad once we're gone?
There's a lot of talent on the JV squad, and so when we're gone, I think they're going to be just fine competing against everyone else.
All right. And how do you feel about making it to state this year?
Like I said before, everyone's returning. We got tons of experience, and we just got to play good team ball, and we should make it.
All right. Thank you.
How do you think the Harlan High School team of 2019 to 2020 bowling season will go?
I feel like our bowling season will be very successful. We have all girls returning for varsity except for one, and we have some great potential coming up. And then all the boys will be back for the varsity, and we both have a great shot at going to state and winning.
So what are your opinions about both varsity teams?
I feel that both varsity teams, we're going to have a great shot this year as long as we all stay positive and then work as a team.
And how do you feel of the JV squad moving up after the varsity teams are graduated?
I feel that on the JV teams we have great potential coming up, and if they want it, then they can do it if they put their hearts to it and work on their spares.
All right, thank you.